Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited to be showing you a new concealer I picked up from Sephora. It is the Lady Gaga Haus Lab Triclone Concealer Skin Tech Concealer. This is an interesting video. It will give you a good insight to this product. So if you want to see all about this concealer and some maybe buyer beware kind of things going on with it, then just keep watching. Last week, after trying out the Makeup Forever Skin Boost, the skin tint, and how nice it felt on my skin, I was like, I need a new concealer, and I've been wanting to get a better concealer as well. Last week when I was testing out the concealers, I tested out the Dior and the Hourglass as well on my hand, and they kind of felt a little heavy. I'm not gonna lie, they kind of felt a little heavy. So I went to Sephora today and I was kind of just browsing around, and I saw the Haus Labs concealer from Lady Gaga, and I saw the little award, the Allure Award for Best Concealer for 2024, and that piqued my interest. So I tested it out on my hands, and it felt so smooth and soft and didn't feel cakey or heavy. So it was giving the same kind of feeling as the Makeup Forever skin tint, like that kind of feeling on my hands. So I was like, okay, if this has that kind of feeling, I definitely want to try it out on my eyes, because your hand is pretty your aging hand for me is got a lot of dryness to it. So going over top of it and not creating any heaviness or cakiness or dryness on my hand, I was like, I want to try this out. So it is a Triclone Skin Tech Hydrating Depuffing Concealer with fermented arnica. So that is going to help out with redness and swelling and puffing in the concealer. It is nice to see these products with skin nourishing products inside of them, so like it's gonna make your skin look better. So there's niacinamide inside to brighten and boost the skin hydration. Again, the fermented arnica to reduce the look of redness, irritation, and the hyaluronic acid to visibly plump and hydrate the skin. So this has a natural finish to it with a medium coverage, which is great. I do like a little bit more coverage in the inner corner of the eye because I do have a lot of darkness there, so good for acne and blemishes, as well as hydrating. And like I said, Allure 2024 Best Beauty Award winner. So that being said, if you guys want to see how this looks on my skin, I'm really excited to try it. I only tried it on my hand. Let's get into a makeup look. I got the shade 21 Light Medium Neutral. Has a wide variety of shade selections, which is awesome. And this one ran me about, let's see if I have the receipt here. It was with tax $50 Canadian, so I will invest in that if it can live up to the hype. I'm excited to try it out. So yeah, it's worth it. Let's get into a makeup look trying the Haus Labs. I am going to start off with my Makeup Forever Super Boost Perfecting Moisturizer Boosting Skin Tint. I have this in the shade 5, and like I said, I've just been loving this one. Little awkward. You get used to how it dispenses after, and it gives you a nice little pea-sized amount there for the skin, and I just love the way that this looks on my skin. And I do love the smell. It is fragrant, so if fragrance bothers you in makeup, then I wouldn't go for this one, but I'm not bothered by it, and I'm obsessed with how it just makes my skin look. This is how it lasts. It lasts like this throughout the day. So not one that you're going to get a huge amount of coverage from, but it is going to make your skin look beautiful. Get a little contour in there. I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Triclone Skin Enhancer in the shade Sculpted, and this is a nice cool tone for accentuating that contour, accentuating that cheekbone, doing some circular motions right under just to kind of follow along the underside of the cheekbone and just sculpt out that area. On top of that skin balm, I'm just gonna go in with my Merit Beauty bronzing balm just to add a little bit of warmth to the skin. You can see there's some nice cool undertones there. And then we're gonna blend the warm golden bronze on top. Or let's try out the concealer. So excited to see how this is gonna look on the skin. It's tough to find a nice amount of coverage without looking too cakey on the skin. Too heavy and just settling into the lines, all the things that we have to look forward to with our aging eyes. But they did have a mature woman on the advertise, like the modeling the concealer, which I thought was awesome, even online as well. I do love the packaging that it comes in, the frosted glass. It just gives a nice kind of luxurious feel to the product. Okay, 21 light medium. This did get about 4. Oh my gosh, this is what happened with people. Okay, disclaimer. The head of the wand falls off. It just fell off into the bottle. That sucks. Okay, well, we can still just kind of pick up product and use our brush to guide this on, but that is what people were complaining about. This is what lowered the score for this product. I'm not gonna return it just because, like, whatever. I should be able to pick up product with this wand, I imagine. Oh, that sucks. Okay, let's go in and try. Like, or am I gonna be able to get product? That is so sucky. So excited about this. It does feel super smooth on the skin, and we got a lot of coverage there. That is such a shame. That is really a shame. I think I'm gonna have to bring it back. But wow, major coverage. And this is light medium. I'm glad I didn't go with the light. It would have been too light. But what beautiful coverage. That is just too bad. That's really too bad that that has to happen. Well, this is a good disclaimer video. Should put that in the title. Disclaimer for when you're buying this concealer. Wow. Really nice coverage. Really, really nice coverage. Feels really pretty, really light on the skin. Oh, boo. That is so, oh, I can't believe that. Well, at least it happened live. So, like, yeah, you can see that is like a buyer beware. I think what I'll do is just take an old concealer brush, wash it, and just use that. Like, I don't know. I don't know if I feel like returning it. Anyways, I am going to add some more bronze. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Islanding Bronzer. Love this buttery bronzer. It looks immaculate on the skin. And it is looking immaculate with this concealer, you guys. Okay, besides the fact that it just breaks when you open it, like that was other complaints. I saw other reviews on Sephora saying that, so they're gonna have to figure that part out. It is flawless. It's so beautiful. My goodness. My eyes feel really bright and like youthful and open and fresh and don't look tired. So love that about it. Let's put on some mascara and finish a simple look trying out the Haus Lab concealer. What a disappointment with the wand. That is really too bad because the product itself feels so pretty. It feels soft here. The coverage is beautiful and it just matches so well, and I love it. I love the quality of the concealer. It's stunning. It has nice medium coverage. I'm sure you could keep building it up to a full coverage, and it doesn't settle in. Like, it looks really great. Ooh, be careful with the wand. I probably should have pulled it out a little slower maybe. I don't know, but yeah, that's too bad. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I think it is helpful to know the pros and cons of this one. Thank you guys again for being here, and I will see you in my next video.